Have you ever wondered what the European Parliament actually looks like from the inside? Not just on the news, not just in documentaries, but in real life. The place where politicians debate laws shaping the future of Europe. Well, today, we're going inside. Our journey starts in Strasbourg, one of the most important political cities in Europe. And honestly, from the outside it just feels like a peaceful French city. Cute streets, bicycles everywhere. But hidden inside this calm atmosphere is one of the most powerful institutions in the world. The European Parliament. Huge, glass-covered, looking more like a futuristic spaceship than a government building. At this point, curiosity turns into excitement. Because this is the place we've heard about for years. The place where different nations come together to make decisions for millions of people. And for a moment, you almost forget this is a parliament. It feels more like entering the headquarters of some secret international mission. And finally, we step inside. The first thing you notice is the scale. Everything is enormous. Massive open spaces, endless corridors, giant glass ceilings. As we walk deeper inside, you hear different languages all around you. French, German, English, Italian, Spanish. It feels like the entire continent is speaking at once. The atmosphere is calm, but important. Eventually, we reach one of the most famous parts of the building, the parliamentary chamber. And honestly, seeing it for the first time is surreal. This is where debates happen that affect over 400 million people. Standing here, you really feel the importance of the place. It's not just politics anymore. It becomes real. You imagine the intense discussions, the agreements, the arguments. Because no matter how important the meeting is, humanity always stays humanity. The architecture itself is fascinating. Everything is designed to symbolize openness and unity. A symbol that Europe itself is still evolving, still growing, still unfinished. And somehow, that idea makes this place feel more human. As we continue exploring, every corner reveals something new. Art pieces, flags, hidden details most visitors probably miss.
And has reunited Eastern and Western Europe. As Europeans, we can be proud of what we've achieved so far.
There are still so many places to discover, stories to tell, and moments to experience. And honestly, this is only the beginning. So if you enjoyed exploring the European Parliament with us, Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to join the next adventure. And tell us in the comments, what place should we explore next? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next journey.